Good morning, welcome to Treasures and Adventures. Today I've got one more box from that storage unit to go through. It's still in the back of the truck, so I'm gonna go do that and see what we find, and then I'll be completely done with it. To be honest with you, I've been laying low because I've been exhausted after that one, but it's been a blast. And my upcoming videos I have, I'm gonna be doing some solo camping and some rock mining and traveling, so it's gonna be a blast to go, and I'm gonna take you with me. So come with me, let's go see what we find. Okay, so here's the last box. The first yard sale I made $625, the second one I made $400. The rest of the stuff that's in my sister's I'm gonna be donating, and everything else I have will be for eBay pretty much. So that unit's done except for me clearing out the eBay stuff, which will take some time, but that's okay. That's good. It means I can go out and play and then come back and, you know, do the eBay stuff. I just saw some personals in here, so let me get rid of those first. It's like a food warmer. That's pretty nice. Okay, looks like I have a signed picture here. And this one is not signed. Oh, maybe. Well, I don't think that's real, but we'll see. Pretty cool. Okay, I have some bad weather coming, so I'm going to do this as fast as I possibly can. Looks like we have a picture frame. Some kind of broken horse trash. Ooh. This looks like a buck knife. I can't read it, but it is nice. Some kind of inject things, some table, a crock pot. A lot of this stuff is just donatable. Some kind of quesadilla maker. Lots of dishes, some playing cards, a little speaker, spoons, a little warmer, Uno, some kind of Indian looking baby thing, empty, Legos, candles, collectible plates, and this looks to be a rock garden thing, like one of those water fountains. Dalmatian McDonald's, and basically just, oh, and a wallet with nothing in it. It's new, but that's it. I appreciate y'all watching my videos, and I can't wait to go to the mountains and do some camping. So this was just a quick video of the last box. You can see I have some rain coming in, so I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll have some mountain videos coming up in like 2 weeks, and mining and solo camping and cooking and all kinds of cool stuff. So I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to get outside and live. Thank you. I think even he knows something's up. Poor grasshopper. He's a big one. You better go hide.